Double bevel, double. Take 5. Hi everyone, and welcome to my dream boat project. And today we're going to work on a surprise, okay? I ran into a situation. Took me a while, but I figured out what to do to be able to handle this. So let me show you the situation and my solution. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's the situation. I was working on building bulkheads. This is the first one. This is actually bulkhead number 14. So it's the smallest one of the group. And I started cutting the wood. But here's the situation I came to. You can see how this here, it doesn't meet. See how it's not straight? That was a little off. That was a little off. And then over here, this one came out a little too far. This one's out way too far, okay? Why? Because I was cutting with this, and it kind of doesn't cut right, and it's a little off. See, this one here, too, is a little off here. So everything was a little off, and I'm thinking, what is making it so off? So I took it off and started sanding it on the belt sander, put the belt sander upside down, and started, one of these numbers here, using it as a table, and kind of bzzz. And then it started getting even worse, and okay, by eye, I don't have calibrated eyes. And I'm like, what did I do before? And then it came to me, last time I started building bulkheads, I used a radial arm saw. So I spoke to Luca. I don't have what I had last time. I had a radial arm saw. She goes, well, let's go. So we went to Home Depot, and there was a really nice one I wanted, but it was a 12-inch, and I couldn't even lift it. So how am I going to get it? I had a hard enough time lifting this. The first time I tried to put it on this table, I actually dropped it. So Ryobi people, don't listen to that in case it gets returned. So anyways, I went out and bought a radial arm saw, and I thought I would open it up, maybe do an unboxing for it, and in a future video, I'll be able to let you know how it did on that frame way over yonder. So let me go ahead and put this on pause for a second. Okay, so let's get going. Got my trusty little cutter over here. And, oops. I'm excited about this. I remember now when I bought a radial arm saw a while back. Actually, I bought a Harbor Freight one. I love the thing. It was a 10-inch, same as this, and I used it for almost everything. Okay, didn't realize how useful they were. And I wanted to get all the same features. So this is a 10-inch radial arm saw, and it's a sliding one, and it has not a laser, but some kind of digital measuring device, I guess you could say. Here's some extra pieces. I'll put these on the side for now. Room for everything. And, good, it comes with a dust collector. Important to have. And this is to secure the wood on the guard or whatever you use. And this here, goes down there. Let's take the foam off here. Whoa. Look at that, huh? So anyways, like I said, I had a Harbor Freight one, which I really liked, but the guard, this plastic guard, broke right here, and for some reason Harbor Freight doesn't have them as replacement parts. So I sold it at a yard sale. Alright, so we're going to have to find a way to pick this thing up. How heavy is it? Ooh. Tell you what, I'm going to probably slide it this way. Try to slide it right out of the box. That worked pretty good. Get rid of the box. And here is the saw. All right. I'm surprised it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. I checked the weight on it, but even with my bad back, I will be able to lift it and move it around. Eventually, depending on how much I use it, eventually I probably will get a table for it again. I had one before and a wheel and it was nice. Let's see. Ooh, something else I got to cut here. Comes with a big twist tie. Ooh. Yes, folks, you can see how dull my razor knife is. I guess you gotta change the blades on once in a while, huh? Okay, so we get this off. Wow, that was pretty heavy duty. And take this off. Cardboard. And how is this gonna come off? Uh-huh. I imagine. Oh, and metal plastic over here. Okay, how am I going to do that without, cut that one off without ruining the machine? Oh, that's not a good idea right here. Ooh. Get that one off. Wow, there's a lot of cardboard thingies. Power cord's all covered in plastic. Get that off. Okay, we're doing good. And if I can slide that back now, there we go. Slide that back, and this comes off. I think we pretty much got it set. But what I like about it, the features I like about it is it has the arm slide there, so I can go back and cut, you know, a lot bigger cuts than just going down. It's a regular meter saw. And it has nice adjustments over here. So I want to move this around. Ooh. Now they do have for like a bevel cuts, double bevel. This is a single bevel. Double bevel, double take 5. Double bevel is great if I was going to use this for cabinet making, you know, molding, which is what a lot of people use these things for. When I had the Harbor Freight, I didn't use that feature once, so I figured, hey, get what I need it for, right? And so I'm going to be able to go, you know, at a nice angle this way, but I really don't. Now this feature I used a lot. You just, here's a little release, you push that, and I can move it at any angle I like. Let's see, so let's go 45-degree angle right there. Oops. And that should lock into place. Wow, that's nice. And so anyways, I'm gonna plug it in and play with it a little bit to make sure I know what I'm doing, because it's always terrible to try to do a review and cut your arm off right away. Something about videos and blood flowing and being rated for children. Not good. So with that, like I said, I ran into a problem with the wood cutting it straight. This is going to solve that problem. And within the next few days, I'm going to start cutting all my bulkheads because the plans are all done. I've drafted everything. My new toy, you can thank Raluca for me. I appreciate it. As soon as I get something, oh no, I need a tool. She always says, let's go get it now. What do you guys think of that for a partner, right? Most people say, I need a tool, and oh, should I ask her? Should I ask her? But I'm going to pay for it in buying perfume for her, I'm sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.